Hello and welcome to another Business Mind platform tutorial. I'm Christopher Shaw and I would like you to join me today as we talk about the Launchpad. We developed the Launchpad as some next steps to get you up and running with the Business Mind platform as soon as possible so the platform can start helping you grow your business as soon as possible. So when we get on the platform, the Launchpad, the first thing we want to do is download the mobile app. And what that allows us to do from the mobile app, you can do a number of things that syncs seamlessly with the platform. So one of the things is you can send invoices, take payments, take manual payments. You can send emails, text messages, make calls. You can send review requests. You can do a whole host of things just from your mobile app that you don't necessarily have to log into the desktop platform to do. Now there's some things that you can't do, like create a workflow, build a website, a sales funnel, but you need to do those on the desktop anyway. Next, you need to connect your Google My Business so that you can connect the platform with any leads generated from that, and you can also get reviews from there as well. Next, connect your Facebook if you have any Facebook advertising leads that are going on. They can be, as soon as somebody fills out those forms, they go straight to the CRM, right, the platform, so you can capture those leads. And next, you can generate leads from your website by connecting your web chat, so you can have live web chat that you can actually once again use from your mobile phone. And then next step is connecting your Stripe account. Now, we recommend Stripe account. Now, we do have some other payment processors that connect, but man, I super recommend Stripe account. They're our number one partner. I've been with them for about 10 years before we even had this platform. And then next, we have your WordPress. If you're using WordPress with us, you can connect your WordPress site to our platform, or you can buy WordPress hosting from us, where we handle all the security and all those things, and I believe that's only like $17.99 a month. Super affordable. And then finally, we want you to add any team members so that you can give them access to the platform, to where they have access to what they need to have access to. Now remember, you're the super admin if you created an account, and you can delegate what type of access you want to the rest of your team. So once again, this has been a quick overview of the Launchpad. If you have any questions and comments, please contact us, reach out to us. And then you can also talk to us in the Business Minds community. Create your free account at the bminds.com. That's THEB, letter B, MINDS.com. That is the Business Minds community. And you can also sign up for a free trial, for a 14-day free trial for the platform at thebusinessminds.com. Thank you, and we look forward to being a part of your entrepreneurial journey.